Okay, good. Well, welcome everyone. Thanks for joining us today. My name is Drew Pogeman, and I'm the Director of Microsoft Solutions for Heartland Business Systems. And I get the privilege to work with a number of delivery teams implementing business systems for our customers, like many of you on the call. I've been working with Dynamics CRM for the past approximately 3 years. And I'm very active in helping implement those solutions with our teams, and then also very active in the Dynamics community as well over the last year and a half. So I'm excited today to walk through with you a new generation of modern business applications for Microsoft. Basically, what you've heard of the Dynamics CRM in the past is now we're moving that along with a lot of other additional functionality into a Dynamics 365 platform, which was released on November 1st of 2016. Technology is really transforming personal lives with applications that are simple to use. People are accustomed to utilizing booking trips with their phone, looking at maps, and simple, modern, easy-to-use applications from a consumer perspective. Microsoft is really taking the next step and modernizing the business applications by taking those productivity tools that you're familiar with, like Office 365 tools, and embedding those into business processes. Traditionally, Dynamics is like a CRM process, customer relationship management, and enterprise resource planning, ERP systems have really been isolated in their own world. Now we're going to remove those artificial boundaries between those systems and really create modern applications that are enterprise ready, that can scale, and hopefully as easy to use as listening to your music on your iPhones or your other personal phone devices, and simplify your business processes throughout your business. So what are we going to go through today? So from an agenda perspective, my goal is really to help you understand what is Dynamics 365, give you an idea of what it can do from a functionality perspective and how it can help your organization, whether you are an educational organization, K through 12 or higher ed, or commercial or public sector. It really can play in a number of those different verticals. I'm not going to plan on having a QA session today, but please post your questions. We will definitely get back to them and make sure we touch base with you. I'm going to turn off my camera. I know many of you on the call are probably like, thank you, but I'm going to turn off my camera and so to avoid distractions and really kind of walk through a couple of